This film took actually approximately 3 years for the making, right? You have been planning Shuddhi for a very long time. If 3 years, work can present a fantastic film like this, what is Shuddhi going to be like?
Shuddhi is already, I think, 3 years. It's completed 3 years in the making already. Shuddhi has crossed the making of Bahubali already without being made. It's a new kind of history we have created with Shuddhi. A film that has not been shot has already been in, in talks. No, so as I said the last time when we were here at a press conference, I said that the next time that Shuddhi will be discussed is when I have something to show. If you find me an actor that will give me 3 years or 4 years of his life, I'll make Bahubali. And with Rajamouli sir only. Because I have tried to today in this press conference to pin him down that he has to make a Hindi language film, dual language of course, but he has to make it with me and nobody me. So I would beseech all of you to convince him to do that.
No one needs to convince me, Karanji, on
that. Signed, sealed, delivered, we have announced our film. Anything he asks me to do, I will join hands with, because I believe there are very few filmmakers like him that can put their lives on hold, that can actually put all their energies, their passion into a piece of work. Don't have that capability. I haven't done it. I'm as much of a victim of circumstance as much as many other filmmakers and actors in my industry, and I'm not proud of it. I think that we are all about economics, about controlled budgets, about combating costs, and very less about storytelling and conviction and passion. And if we don't change that very soon, we will be a dying force instead of a force to reckon with.
Karan here. Yeah, Soumya from Times Now. Karan, the festival release dates are usually booked by the Khans. I mean, as a producer, how do you view this? I mean, do you think this trend is good for the industry at large?
You know, I've actually reached a stage in my life where I want to make good films which have like strong content, and I think when the film is ready, of course one should block dates, and we try and do that, because what people don't realize that there is actually a technicality, a modality that forces us to block time in good time zones, because we're restricted by screen space. You know, we are not being able to absorb two strong releases, you know, sometimes in one phase, which is why we need to plan our releases. And plus our costs are so high that a national holiday gives us that much more of an impetus. We are bound by and restricted by certain obstacles that bind us to kind of succumb to certain release dates and, you know, put our powers and energies into that. Having said that, if we can control our costs, if everyone comes on board, including the lead actors, then we don't have to worry about, like, you know, things like we must come on Republic Day or Independence Day or Eid or Diwali. We can then come anytime, like it used to be in the 60s, 70s. Didn't even hear of these things then, you know. There was not even a thought. There were sometimes 2 and 3 films that have released. In fact, as recent as the year 2001, or before that, in I would say 1993, where Dil and Ghayal released on the same day. Then Lagan and Gadar released in 2001 on the same date, and both were extravagant successes. So I mean, it's completely possible today in the age of multiplex show listing and timings restrict us terribly. So I wish that our infrastructure would widen. I wish all the red tape and bureaucracy would be controlled, and we'd have many more cinema halls. I hope our single screens would be rehauled and worked on. There's so much that needs to do. We need to be empowered. We need the governance to support us. I said that the last time, I say it again. We can't do this alone. We have to be treated as a strong force in an industry, and only when we are empowered can we really increase our infrastructure. And trust me, our content will get better with that.
Karan,
That is very true. And no, sir, I think you're uninformed. There are many voices that go and talk. You just don't know what transpires in those conversations. I mean, you're not aware. You've not been in the room with us when we've gone. Yes. We have actually gone. There have been several trips made. Not only one, but several trips. The problem is that we have people. Exactly. together. The problem is we're restricted by people who actually sometimes, you know, come in the way, who are not actively making movies. So we have to actually come together with people who are actively making movies. A separate FICCI conversation, which we'll do in March next year. Huh?